What's going on? It's your boy Bert Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please, man, run it up, hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate y'all for pulling up, man, hitting that button for me. From the thumbnail and the title, you guys already know what shoe it is, man. We got the Air Jordan Bred 4, man. The Air Jordan Bred 4, all leather, reimagined. Beautiful shoe, man. I went to Dick's Sporting Goods to get this thing. Camped out for the first time in years. 4:30, I think I got there at 4:45 in the morning. I was probably 17th in line. So I did that so I can go ahead and secure my dub. I got my dub, man. It worked out for me. It's a clean shoe, man. I don't know what the big fuss is. I've seen pictures of people like taking acetone to the shoe. I don't know. I think this shoe is clean. Somebody said this isn't real tumble leather. Regardless to if this is real tumble leather or fake tumble leather or whatever, this shoe is clean. I like it. I think it's super dope. It's super wearable. Compared to the 2019 pair, this shoe is super duper wearable, and I think that's what I like about this shoe the most, that I'll actually be able to wear it a lot. The 2019, I really had to baby the shoe because of rain, and you just don't want to mess up the nubuck on that shoe. But yeah, man, I don't know, man. I think this shoe is super duper clean. I mean, you know, you got the black leather going around it. You got the Jordan on the tongue. The leather on the tongue is super soft. The interior, you got Nike written in black. It's a Bred 4, man. It's a classic colorway on a classic silhouette. And, you know, Nike didn't mess this shoe up. They did not mess this shoe up. Quality control on this shoe, it's pretty good, man. Honestly, it's I don't have any crazy glue stains or nothing like that. It's a solid shoe. It's a solid shoe. This shoe had to be bought. This shoe had to be in the collection, especially with the Nike on the back. This is something you can't go wrong with. You guys get down in the comments. How many pairs did you guys get? I have another pair coming in from Sneakers. And when that shoe comes in, we'll do a comparison from the Dick's Sporting Goods pair and the Sneakers pair and all that good jazz. I'm going to get as many videos. I know you guys are sick of this shoe because this shoe was talked about so much before anybody even had hands on this shoe, before the shoe released. But with W's like this, I have to enjoy them because I don't get a lot of W's. And there's a lot of people that didn't hit on the 2019 pair that got a W on the 2024 pair. So enjoy your W, man. Like, it's okay. It's okay. We can still talk about it a little bit more. There ain't no shoes coming out anyway. So, you know what I mean? Let's just, I'm going to enjoy this W. My sneaker W's don't come often. I don't camp out often, and hitting on a classic colorway doesn't happen often. Here's the 2019 pair. Like I said, great shoe, but they're definitely two different shoes. You know what I mean? Like, this one, as you can see, is a little bit ashy. It's actually a little bit dusty because I haven't worn it in a while, but it can get ashy. This shoe right here is clean. This right here, to me, is more of an indoor shoe. You know what I mean? I don't have no crazy creases on it. Nothing bad. Like, I wear these shoes too. I do wear these shoes. I don't wear all my shoes, but this is one shoe that's been undiesed for a while. So I say all that to say, man, this is a great shoe. I don't know which shoe is better, honestly. But I will say that this shoe is way more wearable, and Nike didn't make any mistakes on it. So, I mean, I guess it's just all up to what you like. I guess it's all up to what you like, man. But I'm going to get out of there. I'm going to make this a very simple video. Please hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more. I do all types of content on this channel, but subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with your boy. It's your boy, Bert Collins. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me, for tapping in. I've already tapped in myself, and now I'm tapping out. Peace.